My name is Sophia. I am 32 years old. I am a housewife. I am a mom of three lovely kids. Their names are Ron, John, and Mary. My husband is a doctor. His name is Sam. We are a happy and friendly family. We love and respect each other. So every day I wake up at 6 a.m. My alarm clock rings and I open my eyes. But sometimes I wake up by myself even earlier before my alarm clock rings. I love early mornings when all members of my family are sleeping and I can do my morning routines in silence. I feel a little bit sleepy, but excited for the following day. I get out of bed and do my stretching. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. Then I wash my face with cold water and took a quick, refreshing shower. It helps me wake up and be energetic all day. I look in the mirror, comb my hair, and do makeup. After that, I feel ready for the day. Then I walk our dog in the local park not far from my home. I also love to take a moment and meditate a little before my family wake up. Of course, I feel hungry and I go to the kitchen. I cook breakfast for my family. I usually cook scrambled eggs with vegetables and seasonal salad. I crack the eggs into a pan and mix them with different vegetables. I also chop some cabbage, cucumbers, and parsley for salad. I add some olive oil and mix everything. I also make coffee for me and my husband and tea or juice for our children. When breakfast is ready, I wake up my husband and children. I call them to have breakfast. Ron is 11 years old, John is 7, and Mary is 4. They brush teeth, wash their faces, and come to the kitchen. They always kiss me. My husband helps me to lay the table. We sit together. We have breakfast and talk about our plans for a new day. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. My husband always helps me to clear the table after meal. I like when Sam helps me in the kitchen. The kitchen is clean and I check the time. It's time for Sam and our kids leave home and go to work and school. That's why I have to get the children ready for school. At 7:30 a.m., I help my kids get dressed. As a rule, the boys wear school uniform. They look nice and tidy. I help my younger son and daughter tie their shoes. At 7:40 a.m., we leave the house. Sam drives our sons, Ron and John, to school by car. I take Mary to the kindergarten. We walk together. I hold Mary by hand. We talk about what we will do today. After dropping off Mary in the kindergarten, I return home. Now it is quiet in the house, so I have some free time for cleaning. I start by dusting the kids' room. I vacuum the carpet, water the flowers on the windowsill, and clean the windows. Then I continue cleaning our bedroom and living room. When it is clean everywhere, the house looks tidy, comfortable, and nice. At about 11 a.m., I go shopping to the nearest grocery store. I always make a list of all we need. As a rule, I buy vegetables, fruits, and milk. I don't buy bread because I bake it at home by myself. I also buy eggs and candies for kids. Shopping takes me nearly half an hour. I enjoy choosing fresh products for my family. I return home at 11:30 a.m. I put the groceries into the fridge. If I have a little time, I take a moment to water the flowers in our small garden. Then I may relax for a while. I sit in the armchair and listen to music or read a book. At 12:30 p.m., I start cooking lunch. I cook mushroom soup and bake fish with vegetables in the oven. When everything is ready, I set the table for lunch. At 1 p.m., my children come home from school. They are hungry. We sit at the table and have lunch together. Ron and John tell me about their day at school. Ron tells me about his math class, and John complains about his English teacher. After lunch, I clean the dishes. My sons help me to dry the plates, forks, and cups with a kitchen towel and put them away. I feel good and happy when my sons help me. After the kitchen is clean, I, with Ron and John, go to the yard. We play outdoor games. Sometimes we walk in the park. Our dog walks with us too. It's fun to spend time with my boys. When we come back home, Ron and John start doing their homework. I help my sons when they don't understand. I like explaining them something new. So I sit with them and explain the questions. I am proud of them because they work hard. They like to study. At 5 p.m., Sam comes home from the hospital. On his way home, he takes our daughter Mary from the kindergarten. They greet us with big smiles. We sit together and have a snack. We enjoy cookies and tea with milk. After snack, we play together in the living room. We color pictures, play hide and seek, and just have fun. We like to spend time together. It is funny. At 6:20 p.m., I start cooking dinner. I roast the chicken and cook mashed potato. I also cook steamed vegetables. The kitchen smells delicious. I set the table for dinner. At 7 p.m., we all sit down to eat. We talk about our day again. Everyone shares something special that happened. We love listening to each other's stories. After dinner, we clean the table together. We wash the dishes. It is fun to work together as a family. At 8:15 p.m., it's time for the kids to get ready for bed. I help them brush their teeth. Then I read a fairy tale for my kids. They enjoy listening bedtime stories. At 9 p.m., I close the book, kiss my kids, say goodnight, and switch off the light in their bedroom. After that, I spend some time with Sam. We talk about our day or watch a film together. At 11 p.m., we go to bed. I feel tired but happy. This is my daily routine. I enjoy being a housewife and taking care of my family. My days are always busy, but they are full of love.